Hi friends, when you want to create a perfect website, you need a wonderful WordPress theme for it. In this video, I have Victim, and it is a dedicated theme for digital agency and its portfolio. So if you are targeting a website in this category, this video is exactly for you. We are going to create a demo website using the theme called Victim, and it is a dedicated theme for digital agency and portfolio. Victim is a theme from Soft Hopper, and they are elite author at Envato Market. You can simply buy the theme by following the video description link that is on Envato Market just for $39. But yes, before taking a buying decision, you have to understand its complete features, functionality, and how we can proceed with the installation and what are the functionalities available. So first of all, it has got 6 pre-made home pages and 12 plus inner pages. So you are going to get a complete website for your agency or portfolio. And I can show you some layout. These are some stunning layouts. I like this one very much. So this is home 4 and it is like a personal portfolio website. So you can see the look is really perfect and it has got all the wonderful features and the hover animations that you need for a modern website. So let us start creating a demo website using this theme so that we may understand the complete installation process and what is laying inside the theme. Okay, so as usual, I have this core installation of WordPress that I have installed using the Softaculous WordPress Manager by Softaculous that is available at cPanel. If you have yet not taken the hosting plan, I really recommend to have a WordPress optimized hosting plan through WP Themes website that you can avail for a very nominal price that works very fine and that comes with cPanel and all these options. Through Softaculous, you can simply install the WordPress core, and once you buy the Victim theme, you can start creating your website before you have to install, and you can start editing your website. Just in case if you need any support, you can join the iCreate program after purchasing the theme. Okay, let us proceed now. So I'll show you the theme pack. First of all, what we got in the theme, this is Victim, and in the theme pack, I have this main theme file, the installable theme file, and the child. Let's say licensing, documentation, and demo content is available. Okay, so let us proceed towards installation. This is theme file that I need to install at the core. Okay, to install the theme, we have to be in the theme section, and we can simply go in the themes, click on add new, upload the theme, choose the file. Here is the victim.zip that we need to select. This is victim.zip. Simply click on install now. It will install the theme simply in just few seconds. Okay, and again, it depends on your server capacity. Yes, it got installed within 3 seconds, I believe. Yes. So go to the theme page to check the details. Yes, I have the Victim WordPress theme along with the default one. If we check the details, I'm using Victim version 2.0.1. As on date, this is the latest version with me. When you will order the theme through the link in the video description, that is from Envato Market, you will get the updated version as available. Okay, simply activate the theme. And once activated, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. What is here? Elementor is the page builder that is being used, and Get Blocks is Elementor add-on just from the theme developer itself. It is already pre-packed. Get Elements for Elementor is again add-on for Elementor. Victim Core is the main plugin that have been supplied in the theme pack. It is also pre-packed. Contact Form 7 as usual. Envato Market is here. One-click demo import is here for importing the demo content, and this theme also supports the WooCommerce. So simply we have all the great plugins. 4 are required, rest are recommended, but yes, we have to install all these plugins. Later we can decide what we are not going to use. So I have selected all and clicking on install, simply clicking on apply. It may install all plugins in one go, or otherwise we need to install plugins one by one. So okay, so it is not going through, so we will simply install the plugins one by one, just in few clicks, one by one. Very quickly we can install plugins, and simply click on install links, and it will install the required set of plugins. Process is so simple, but yes, we have to follow all the steps as I am following, and I just wish to show you the steps that you really need to follow and how you can simply start editing your website and making it live. So I have included all the great options of theme on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. It has 1000 plus WordPress resources to compare and select, so you can explore other themes, plugins, and other resources as well. And you can also press the bell button to get the next updates from this channel, and it is being the biggest channel, I believe, for theme review. Okay, so now I have all the plugins installed successfully, and you can see all activate links are here, and I'm going to select all 8 plugins in one go, and now activating all the installed plugins. So it will activate, yes. So it has activated all the installed plugins, and we are fine with all set of plugins and the theme itself. So simply click on the dashboard. This is just a welcome page of Elementor, and now we are here. So JetBlocks data update, we need to update the database. Okay, so we can simply update the database, and we need to update, okay, start update. Okay, all updates is very clear, and we have successfully installed the theme, all plugins without any trouble. So this is time when we can take a look of our website, how it looks. Okay, so just a simple look. It is showing the basic layout. It don't have any demo content, and we have target website like any of these. 6 options are here, and so you can explore the demo that you need for your upcoming project. All are great in my opinion, so you can select your desired one, and I'll proceed to import the demo content, and I am going to find the option. Under appearance tab, I can see the demo importer is here. Simply click on demo importer. This is the screen, and the next option is showing import demo data. So I am clicking on this without any delay, and on the next screen some more plugins. Simply click on continue and import, and the demo import process is begin. So it is simply written here, sit tight while we import your content. Do not refresh the page or hit the back button. So it is a mandatory process for importing the demo content. Yes, you need to wait on this screen patiently, and once the demo content import gets complete, we will have a new website, of course, and all the home pages. I believe it is bringing all the home pages as well. Meanwhile, if you are eager to know what is going in the background, you can open the media library in another tab just to check. Yes, we are getting the images. So the demo import process is going very fine. We can simply wait here to get any message on this screen. And after 1 minute, I am going to refresh this page just to show you the progress. Yes, we are getting images very fast. 88 images, 88 media items in just 1 minute. So it is working very fast, at least for me. So it is a beauty of web optimized hosting plan, the internet speed I am using. So you can also avail all the same. You have to follow the video description link for all the resources that you need for your WordPress website. And as I said, the iCreate program is a very interactive program where you can get in touch with WordPress mentors, iCreate mentors, who are going to help you in every manner in making your website live and up, and even in optimization, troubleshooting. So all good things are here for your WordPress website. Simply join the program, and once you buy the theme through the video description link that is from Envato Market, description link is an affiliate link of Envato Market. Simply buy the theme using that link, and you can join the program for free. Yes, so we are going to help you. And okay, this is great message here. So it is most awaited screen that I wish to see when I install anything. So this is simply saying congrats, your demo was imported successfully, and now you can begin editing your site. So of course I'm eager to check my new website. I'm going to refresh this page first of all, and yes, the new website is loading up, and this is preloader, so we can disable the preloader as well. And yes, this is a wonderful website. And okay, so we got the placeholder images. However, most of the images have been included in the okay. So this home tool layout has got the original images. This is wonderful, and I like the home 4 very much. Let us see if it is having the images. And wonderful. Yes, so we got all the images as well. And just in case if you got the placeholder images, you can simply replace your images. Of course, we are going to replace these images as well, but it looks very good if we are having all the images at our installation. So the installation remained very successful, and I'm going to set this home page first of all. So I'm going to click on customize, and I'm going to select this home page first of all. After that, I am going to go show you the settings. So home page setting, I am selecting here, home is here, and I'll select the home 4 to make it mine. This is good for me. So I have set the home page, and now this is my website, and it is very clear and smooth installation, and I got this complete website. I can show you the inner pages as well. So all home pages are here. You can select any home page for your project. So I can show you the inner pages like about us very quickly. Yes, it is fine. Services, projects, all. Okay, so now installation remained successful without any doubt. So we can take a decision that we can buy this theme with. And now I'm going to show you how you can customize the website. So first of all, let us check how many media items we have in this input. 113. Okay, so we got 113 media items. Now I'm taking you to the dashboard again, and we'll show you the additional things that we got in this installation. Victim template is first of all here, and I can see portfolio item is first of all here, new. We have to edit all these items, and simply whatever you are not using, you have to delete those items. And if you are going to use these things, you have to edit according to your requirements. So you can add portfolio, new portfolio, and category. Victim templates is here. So let us see what is here. So some templates like header with bottom, header with contact. So I'll show you how it looks. What is the utilization of it? Okay, so these are some templates like header. If we are using this header, like this theme uses Elementor. So if we are using this header, we can simply edit the header in the header with bottom area or whatever header. So simply you have to edit the header and the footer area in this section that is in victim template. And you can also add new one. So you have to edit header and footer. I'm repeating. So in this area. So it is going to be a very common question where we can update the logo. So just click on edit with Elementor, and you will be able to edit the header part like logo and rest of things. Like simply you can edit the logo here or change the logo here. Just you have to take care of image dimension and all. Next thing, WooCommerce is well available here. Just in case if you are waiting to create an e-commerce website using this theme, you can do the same. QuickBook block is QuickBook. Okay. What is this? So this is a block setting, I believe. Okay. So these things on tabs, reviews, menu, smart files. Okay. So these are some blocks that we can use at this website that is available with the theme itself. So I believe it is being used. So you can edit the jet elements, go to settings on whatever is being used, like jet elements has been used. So you can use the jet elements basic settings here. And it is just an add-on for Elementor, I believe. Okay. So you can edit the things that you need, jet elements and the plugins that is coming from the Croco block. Next thing is very simple as in basic installation of WordPress, and I believe the customize option will show rest of the option of customization. So I'll go to the customize and the appearance where we change the home page in fact. So here is the options, basic options. So logo and site identity can be changed here. So you can even change the logo from here as I was discussing. and display the site title and tagline. This is also this option is also available. Similarly, some general settings are here. You can change the preloader background and preloader color, and even you can combine the resources to combine all themes, CSS and JS into one, so that you may optimize the speed. And schema markup, you can change the custom scroll bar, and even you can enable or disable the preloader. If it is taking time, you can disable the preloader as well. So theme color mode, you can change the theme color mode, theme background color, and the theme background things. So these are general settings. Similarly, header settings, so you can set the logo, color, dimension, height, menu settings. Here you can change the colors and all custom settings like header font width, sticky header, transparent header, and header type. Next, color is completely in our control, so we can completely change the color of area. Like if it is magenta, we can simply change this magenta color into another color. So it is completely available. And the block setting, background images, so these are some simple settings that is when available. So I believe this is a very simple setting and simple customization option that is available with the theme called Victim. And now finally I'm going to show you how you can edit the page. Let us suppose we are using this home page, how we can edit the page content. So editing with Elementor is always being simple, and this theme uses Elementor as page builder. Simply open the page that you want to edit, and I have already shown you how you can edit the header and footer. And the open page, you can simply click on the edit with Elementor, and you can start editing the content of the page that you are willing to change. So Elementor will be loaded, and you can simply follow this navigator option or simply go to the area that you want to change. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same length of text or same dimension of the image that has been used, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest of things will be very simple, and you can simply edit the sections, images, and things. So whatever is required, you can simply change and into stories, and you have to change all these links and rest of things, whatever is being used. So just in case if you are creating a digital agency website, so I believe you know all these basic things. But yes, just in case if you are wanting any support, we are well available here. What you have to do in just 3 steps, you have to buy the theme through the link given in the video description. That is an affiliate link of Inviter Market. You have to buy the theme. It will cost you for $39 for now, I believe. And you'll get the theme pack. Once you get the theme pack, you can buy the hosting from WP King's website. The link is again there in the description. And next, you can join the iCreate program for making your website live and up. For any customization support, we are available. So I believe you will be able to create a wonderful website using this Victim WordPress theme, that is a dedicated theme for digital agency and portfolio website. So let us meet in our next video, in which I am going to bring more WordPress resources for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.